Medical advances happen all over Arkansas, but one lab tucked away in West Little Rock is getting global attention. Because health matters, our Hillary Hunt takes us inside Arcana Laboratories to give us a look at how it's not only helping people right here in Arkansas, but around the world.
My name is Željko 12,
or as his co-workers here at Arcana Laboratories call him, Dr. Z.
I'm originally from Eastern Europe, from Croatia.
And you're probably wondering why he planted roots in the natural state.
Our laboratory processes specimens that come from all over the country as well as internationally.
Dr. Vanishchuk is a renal pathologist at the Little Rock-based laboratory, but it's the lab's reputation that had him itching to move to Arkansas.
This is an incredibly unique lab for a number of reasons. Number one, it processes the largest number of kidney biopsy specimens in the country at over 18,000 per year.
The reason that people send to us from all across the country is because we are doing testing that very few laboratories do.
Dr. Chris Larson, Arcana Lab's executive director, tells me it also has a 24-hour turnaround time.
Most of the laboratories that did kidney pathology were very slow turnaround, taking 1 to 2 to 3 weeks in order to get the result back to the clinician.
That speed crucial to care when it comes to kidney disease.
There's a lot of Arkansans with kidney disease.
It affects roughly 37 million people in the United States.
The kind of explosive growth of Arcana Laboratories was largely due to the fact that Dr. Walker really emphasized care for the patient. It really emphasized getting back that result to the clinician treating to the patient and to the patient as rapidly as possible.
And while these doctors may not have face-to-face interaction with these patients,
ZD dictating for S20.
what they do is a key step in diagnosing and hopefully finding a cure.
Pathologist is critical because we're specially trained to look at tissue underneath the microscope, and that's what's critical to obtain a proper diagnosis.
And as long as Arcana Laboratories remains on the cutting edge of research in its field, both doctors believe the best talent in medicine will continue to be attracted to our state.
We have found if we can get people to Little Rock for an interview, they love it.
In Little Rock, I'm Hillary Hunt.